Hey guys, welcome back to my video. How are you? I hope you people are doing well. So this is a day 7 of the spoken English challenge and I'm very excited. I'm very grateful to universe that I have finally completed my day 7 of the spoken English challenge, and this is a great sign of our success that I was what I was consistent with my words, I was consistent with my practice, and that makes me bigger. So, in this video, I will not say that you will follow this, that, and you will speak fluently. Okay, so in this video, I will talk in a casual, and I will talk anything that behind me, after me, everything I will say means this is like a casual talk. Yes, this is like a casual talk, and in this video, whatever things that comes in my mind and whatever words will stick in my mind, everything I will say in this video. So that's, as you can see behind me, there are lots of water which is saturated water. Yes, and this water is not used for bathing, this water is not used for anything like drinking, this water is used for something else. Yes, so in this video I will describe about this tree. No, what I'll describe it. This is a tree, and I don't know the name of this tree actually. And as you can see, this behind me, this is what? This is known as bush. Bush is something which is used only for making what food. This is used as fuel actually, and there is, as you can see, at this. Huh? Sorry for inconvenience, guys. My sister has came and just interrupt my video. So please we will carry on in this video. So here I was describing about the weeds. So this is the weeds, as you can see. As you can see, these are the weeds, and which is like a grass. Yes. So yes, this is a grass, and yes, the sun is shining little much, and the light and little much of air was is blowing from my body, and I'm feeling lots of blissful because yes, this is the summer season. So there are lots of things, there are lots of time that I spend like making reels and also making scrolling on like social media, so that make my time waste. So because of that I make videos, and I just came there on a game on this field and make a kind of videos for you, and also it helps me to improve my English. Okay, so let's move forward, and I'm walking on the walking trail, and yes, I'm not alone, guys. I'm with my younger sisters, yes, who has just come with me and helping me, and also I would say this people has just came with me for what, giving me a company, guys. Yes, and as you can see, I'm walking on the paddy field. This paddy field not belongs for us. Yeah, these paddy fields also not belong to us. Whatever the paddy field is around me not belongs to us. And what if I describe the things yesterday, that yesterday uh, was our Holi, which is celebrated in Jharkhand, which is known as Baha. And Baha is very famous festival which is celebrated in Jharkhand from by our Adivasis. Means because I belong from scheduled tribe, so we have already what celebrated our Baha yesterday, and I had danced lots of lots with my sisters, with my siblings, and every friends. I came there where, as you can see, I think this is visual to you. Are you visual? Yes, you can see little much about of view, as you can see that. Yeah, okay, let me go there, and I think they, as you can see, yeah, as you can see, yeah, that was a little it's a jungle, it is like a forest, and also you can see this is a kind of plateau. Yes, because as far as I know, uh, I studied at my 8th standard that Jharkhand was covered with plateau region, Chota Nagpur plateau region. So it may be the great probability that this was not a jungle, this is not a forest, this is a kind of plateau. And at that plateau there is a temple, like Hindus for a temple and church for the Christians. In the same way, we Adivasis, we scheduled tribes had what? There's kind of temple which is known as Jaher. Yes, Jaher is like a temple for us, and we people go there and just worship there, and uh, we dance there, and by doing dances we come across our village. Yes, so this is a distance about of 500 meter, so we dance through the road and then we go into our village. And so please let leave on this topic because I think many of you know this. So if I describe another thing, so this, I think this is what? This is a kind of what? This is a kind of weeds. As you can see, I think. Okay, let put the camera behind it. Yes, now as you can see, this is a kind of weeds. Yes, this is a kind of weeds. This is not useful. I don't know what the name of these weeds. And actually, I'm coming field very a long time, so I don't know. And if my mother or my parents, any one of him will come with me, then I will must ask it what does means and why does it what grow in the field, and what is it helpful for making like fertilizers or any kind of what is that called, biofertilizer, which is useful for the cultivation. So I think it is not, it is just like a weed, I think. So let me put aside, so let's make forward. So I think I have make a video of about 7 minutes, so I think we should keep the video shut down right now. So please like, share, subscribe my channel. And if you know that if I had make any kind of minor mistakes while speaking English, so please let me know in the comment section and how I can improve with English. So bye bye, thank you.